Today we are talking about what causes the severe hair loss after COVID. So we are all seeing that after an incident of COVID, viral fever, antibiotic use, 2 to 3 months later, there is a severe loss of hair. We just discussed in the last segment about the 3 phases of hair loss. In this, what happens is most of the hairs, about 90 to 95% of the hair, are in the growing phase or the anagen phase. Only 1 to 2% are in the shedding phase and falling phase of the hair, which is the telogen and the catagen phases of the hair. What happens in a viral fever like COVID, or if there is a surgery, or if there is another viral illness or typhoid or something like that, there is a sudden dramatic shift of many of the hairs which are in the growing phase to the telogen or the catagen phase. So about 40 to 50% of the hairs suddenly move from anagen. They were only supposed to move at 1% or 2% at a time. 40% of the hairs have moved. So 2 months from there, because that is the time that is taken from the phase to move from anagen to catagen to telogen, it is going to take you 2 months. So the shedding of the hair usually starts about 2 months after the viral illness, and it feels very, very scary because you are losing large chunks of hair at a time. Let us understand the good news about this. Unfortunately, there is not much we can do to stop this hair fall because the hair is already shifted into that phase and it is going to fall. But the good news is the hair always regrows. What are the things that we can do to support the regrowth of this hair? Have a good nutrition. Have a balanced diet which is good in protein, vitamin, fruits, vegetables. Get your vitamins D, B12 and iron checked. These vitamin deficiency can hamper the regrowth of the hair. Make sure you are ruling out any testosterone excess or thyroid disorders. All these tests can be done by a simple blood test. Dermatologist will be able to tell you if all of them are fine, the hair is going to come back to normal. But if there is a background of hormonal issues or there is vitamin deficiency, the regrowth may be smaller or scantier. Another thing that you should make sure is that you go to the dermatologist and ask for a tricho scan, where they will actually examine the scalp under a dermoscope, and they will be able to tell you whether there is any pre-existing thinning of the hair follicles. That means whatever hair is fallen, it's coming back in a thinner fashion. This is because of the effect of dihydrotestosterone on the scalp, which is a predominant hormone which works on the scalp both in men and women. So if the dermatologist feels that there is an effect of testosterone on the scalp, then you may need some additional serums. Otherwise, the hair fall usually after these incidents takes about 6 to 8 weeks to normalize, and then it grows back to normal by itself. The density will also come back to normal. So don't be afraid because you are losing so much hair.